I am so putting this in the video. Hello Internet, my name is Shafiq and I got my brothers with me so that we can do day 3 of our challenge weekend. Today's challenge is going to be the sound effects challenge, which most of you have seen from either Whose Line Is It Anyway or what some other YouTubers have done. Okay, here's a good hint. Most of the challenges we're going to do is stuff that other YouTubers have done. So if you want to research, I'm just going to. Okay, so anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to draw.
He's very creative.
Hashtag not plagiarism, just inspiration.
Don't sue us. Okay, so we got colored marbles in here to determine who's going to do the sound effects and who's going to be the one acting out. And so how it works is 2 people are going to be here acting, while the other 2 people are back there are going to do sound effects.
Wait, we're gonna be back there.
Yeah, we're going to be behind the camera. Caleb, you are a film noir detective, and Isaac is the desperate client.
Wait, he's a detective.
You're a detective. You're a detective, and you're the client.
Oh, okay.
A film noir means kind of like a. Think of.
The Shadows of Evil.
Yeah,
What?
that kind of. Not with the zombies, but as in that timeline aspect. Okay.
Okay. I don't understand.
He's a detective, and he's a desperate client.
Okay, so it's just like a normal detective.
Alright, so Caleb, go ahead and you're in your room and you're about to walk in. We'll start off with that.
We'll just make it up.
No chairs, no
Hey.
props.
Hey,
If you're gonna
hey.
sit, you have to sit in the air.
Hey, we'll make it up. You do the sounds, okay?
Now, we get to make some stuff up too. Don't
Yeah,
forget
no.
that.
Like I said, you're doing the sounds. We're making up the acting. Wait, you're me?
It doesn't really matter.
Aaron's Caleb, I guess.
It doesn't really matter.
What do you need?
I need someone's here to kill me. They already killed someone else.
Da da
My
da.
friend.
Why would they want to do that?
I don't know why. I think I heard something. I think they think I heard something, because I never heard anything.
Excuse me.
You want to see the scene? I haven't called the cops yet.
Wait first.
Okay.
Thank you. Let's go.
Okay.
Click, 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 click. Okay, you're at your car now.
Oh.
Oh.
Yes, this is the scene.
Woo, woo.
At the car, my car.
Right outside my office.
Yes.
Why did I not see this before?
Alright,
Excuse me.
I went come here for the detective, and then he died.
Alright.
Da.
So I need to need your help to find the killer before he kills me.
Oh,
And since you're with me, he'll probably kill you too.
Gosh darn it, I'm gonna have to charge you more.
Okay, I'm out.
Sorry, I'm
I'll
out.
just grab this guy's wallet.
Ah! My wallet! Please!
You're alive?
Give me, yes!
Tell me the killer.
Call the hospital!
Tell me the
Please!
killer.
His name is...
Why'd you die? Come on.
Gotta search the records for this.
Okay.
Step. Hey, you!
Yeah, who is this? Yeah? Really?
I can't hear anything. Come on.
Shut up, I'm trying to listen. And what was that again? Really? This is an impressive little tip you got here. Okay, I'm gonna have to charge you $50 for this call. Thank you. Contact me as soon as you get more information. Alright, bye.
I have to ask you, what language was that?
I don't know.
Okay, so you even know it then. She was.
I just got a tip what the name was.
Okay, in her language. Oh. No wonder it didn't sound right.
The name of the killer is Green.
Oh. We gotta find this person. He's gotta be in this area. He's out. He's hunting for us.
Put your hands up. This is all McGree.
I'm gonna have to charge you $20 for making me raise my hands.
How about this? I'll give you a bullet in the head and we'll call it deal.
No, that's just a nightmare.
You killed my friend.
Who are you?
You killed my friend.
Yeah, so?
You put blood over my new car.
Yeah, I'll put blood all over your foot right now.
Ow! You missed.
You better watch it. Don't do anything stupid. Okay, our bullets just hit each other, so now what?
Banzai! Ah!
Alright.
Boom!
I'm doing the sound effects, remember?
Alright.
You can't do any sound effects.
Okay.
You failed. You did.
Yes, cops. Murderer. At my office. Right now. He's got a gun. Head over immediately. Bye.
We're the bullies! Put your hands up!
I just got here.
Let's see.
You tackled him.
What?
The person's dead, but he's got a gun. You shot him.
I was defending him myself.
Put your hands up.
I was just wondering where my brother was.
He came here and he had a gun. I went for my gun as he was being occupied talking with this weirdo. So I went for my gun.
I wasn't here before. I was just looking for my brother. Where's my
You
brother?
hired me to find
Hired
the murderer.
to find the
Oh, you're talking
murderer.
about my
Which
twin
was
brother?
him. I'm agreed. Now he's dead.
Where are you going?
Okay, sir, we're gonna have to take him in for questioning.
Alright, that'll be $20.
Yeah, sir, how about we'll charge you the $20? So get in the car.
Alright.
So, have you seen my brother?
No.
You're coming in too.
Oh.
Sorry, we're seeing too many
I
suspicious
was never
things
here
with you.
before.
Sorry, but you're gonna have to coming in too. Get in the car. We're at the jail.
Oh, it was just across the street. Okay.
How convenient.
With the,
Okay, who are you?
With the car outside of the.
Okay, so now you're both sitting at a table with the two cops sitting in front of you.
Okay, who are you?
Okay, now, let's not get too mean here.
Good cop, bad cop situation.
Yes, that's what we're doing, right?
Well, you think it's the actual situation, but in all reality, he is the bad cop.
So he's like selling drugs and stuff?
No!
Maybe.
Actually, maybe, yeah.
Okay, we're not the ones being interrogated
Covering
here.
for him?
What were you doing at that place? What were you doing in that
I want
office?
answers here. You covering for him?
We're the ones interrogating here.
I want answers.
I know you want
covering
answers,
for
but
him.
we demand the answers of the questions that we have for you. So what were you doing in that
This
office?
is outrageous. He's selling drugs, playing people.
Flips over the table. Okay, what's going on here?
I was just minding my own business while looking over some possible contacts for me to investigate because I am a detective. Here's my badge.
Alright, we'll call it good. Alright, you
Yeah, I was
two
about
free to go.
I was about to ask you how long this was gonna go.
Well, I was originally gonna do it for 5 minutes. That's the end of it, by the way. But it went a little bit further. Because I forgot to set it right, so let's see here. Samuel and Aaron watched fireworks together.
Okay.
This will be interesting. Why are we standing? No, I don't know about you, I'm gonna go ahead and sit. Look at that one. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm bored.
Let's go sell on drugs.
What? Look at this guy. Okay, these fireworks are getting warmed up. Ah, they're going at us! Oh no! Breathe!
Over there!
Breathe!
You two!
Breathe!
You two!
Breathe!
What are you
Breathe!
doing what are you doing sending fireworks to an unrestricted area?
We're not doing any fireworks, sir. We're just
What?
watching.
Then what is those boxes over there with fireworks in them?
Are they even open?
Yes.
They're not even ours.
They say Samuel in there, and I see your badges right there.
Badges. I am a police officer, sir. I'm a police officer. Don't pull that on me.
No, you're not. You're
No,
working.
get
at
out of
this
there.
area.
Let us be. What did you say?
Those are your college names. Those are college name tags.
Why am I still wearing this?
But those are your fireworks.
We weren't even sending them off.
What's that stand there with the and I smell a lot of gunpowder over here.
I don't know what you're smelling, but you're probably smelling the gunpowder that's going off right over there. Those are the guys who are doing fireworks, so why don't you go over there and do them?
Alright, what's that beer over there?
Here? I did not put that there. He's the one who did that. You can look at him. Oh, by the way, he's dead, so
Dead?
yeah, the fireworks killed him.
What are you doing with the fireworks?
I'm not doing anything with the fireworks. I'm talking about
I'm taking
those
you
guys.
in.
Those guys who are over there. They must have done something wrong.
They have a permit. What are you doing with these fireworks?
But it's a restricted area. You just said.
And I just said they have a permit. What are you doing with these fireworks?
Nothing. We were just watching the fireworks that they're pulling off.
Why do you have these fireworks here then?
I don't know.
Where's your permit?
I don't have one.
You're getting taken in.
I didn't even use them.
You're getting taken. Hands on the ground.
No. Hey, okay.
What
Hands are on the ground. Hands are on the ground.
Head.
Head is on the ground.
Wow. Okay.
You too. Head on the ground. Head down. I'm tasing you.
There's so much blood going in my head.
I'm tasing you too.
What? Officer, you must have put that on extra charge.
You should be unconscious.
Okay.
You wake up at the cell.
We wake up in our cells?
Yeah. As we were searching your area, we found a bunch of drugs and we took
That's
it.
what you meant by let's go find some drugs. I did not know this guy at all. I was there with him and I decided to go watch fireworks with him.
We looked up your profile. You're both roommates at college.
I have a perfectly good explanation for this.
Why were you over there with beer, drugs, and you're not even old enough?
Okay, I did not put the drugs there. I didn't even know they were there. The beer, he brought that. I told him not to, but he was like, no, I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyway. And the fireworks, that was already there when we got there.
That was
He
bought.
put the name tags on them.
That was bought in your name,
My name?
Yes.
That was
You
the,
used my name?
including the beer.
I
You
did.
used my name?
That was the firework factory.
Why was there a restricted area then?
That was not a firework factory.
Yes.
That was a metalwork factory.
No. It's second bull blaggers. Firework factory.
How much drugs did you use? We're gonna have to test you. Both of you.
Oh no, not the gloves. And that's the end of that scenario. That's the end of that scenario, 5 minutes.
I question, is this
Well, perfect timing.
family friendly.
this PG-13 scene. That one was
Samuel
kind
and
of
Isaac are athletes from different countries that meet at the Olympics. Okay, I'm getting ready. Oh, hey, man. What country are you from?
Oh,
Oh, you don't speak English, do you?
yes, I do.
So what country are you from?
Japan.
Japan. Oh, okay.
Alright, before you do any performances, you must pee in those cups to see if you are using any steroids.
Really? Really? You're gonna do it right there. I'm going to the bathroom. Wow, I didn't realize I could be this loud. Oh,
I can hear from here.
okay. Here you go,
Careful
sir.
not to soil yourself now.
Okay, you're taking it too far now.
Thank you.
Mom was really quiet.
Okay. What is this breathing on my neck? That is so annoying. Okay. Okay. When are the races gonna start? That's what I'm waiting on.
Races
Nope.
start in
Oh,
10
crap.
seconds.
I heard the gunshot. Did you?
Yes.
Wait, are you in the same race too?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Jafia.
I am unbelievable.
Okay, nice to meet you.
I know it's not Japanese.
Alright, I'm gonna pass you now. Ah, no! Where's the finish line? This is a long race.
I don't know. I have a question for you.
What?
If you're in third place and you pass second, what place are you in?
Second.
Okay, you passed the test.
Oh, watch out for that glass there.
Ah!
Ooh, watch out for that anthill.
Oh, it burns! It burns! I have to keep running down.
And the
So how you
race is
doing?
now complete.
Who won?
I looked a little further. I
Go
was
on.
running backwards, so.
What are the results?
It's just
Jafia is in last place, and Belibo is in first.
Wait, it's just two of us?
Wait a minute, you were behind me!
I was running backwards. What are you talking about?
Oh.
Were you going backwards?
No?
Okay.
How'd you win?
I don't know.
How many contestants were there?
This just in. The next sport we will be doing is swimming in pure acid.
Swimming challenge.
Swimming challenge.
And
I'm
this
gonna
just
ignore
in.
that last part that he was in.
I'll get my acid repellent suit on.
Yeah, I will too.
And that's just it. Contestants Jafia and Belimo will be disqualified for using illegal contraband.
What? What illegal contraband?
Swimming into the pool of acid with suits, acid repellents are illegal.
These are swimsuits. What are
I'm
you
sorry,
talking
sir,
about?
but I don't want to die.
Nobody said it was citric acid.
The guy next to you did.
It could have just been Coca-Cola products. Well, looks like we're out of the race. Okay, it's nice knowing you.
So that's the end of the whole carnival thing since
Carnival thing?
since we're the only two competitors.
Yeah, since we're the only two competitors, does that mean no one wins the Olympics?
I guess so.
Nope, 200 other contestants.
Oh, that must be the other country over there.
I was gonna say, there's no way that you were in first place and I was in last place. Unless I'm just that bad somehow.
You're going the opposite direction.
What?
Yeah.
Oh. That's why it says NA. This scene is boring.
This scene is very boring. Cut!
We're gonna go ahead and end it there. That was just a fail from the start.
You two were so boring, you didn't.
I'm sorry for you guys. I would not blame you if y'all changed the episode. Aaron is a demon summoned by wizard Caleb to do their bidding. What? Ready, set, go.
You're Aaron.
We can do both. It's okay.
You have been summoned to do my bidding.
Boom! Boom!
You shall conquer that castle.
Boom!
I
Boom!
shall rule the world.
Boom! Boom!
Yes.
No! Just
No, it's in your general direction.
We have a way of defeating. We have an anti.
The castle's completely demolished.
We have a bigger bit. Aaron has a bigger bidder. He goes to the city.
You shall conquer that other city, and this time leave it intact. I need a kingdom to rule.
Dun, 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 dun.
It's King Kong!
And then the city before that. Aaron, then
We're not narrators.
Alright, just conquer that other city. We shall conquer the world.
Ding, 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 ding! Monster fights! Boom, 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 boom.
knockout.
This is just gonna be funny to watch. Just seeing Aaron wailing at nothing.
Alright, now we shall go to the big city.
Yeah,
We
big
are
city.
going to the White House. Go on, go!
Is your stand? President has announced a speech at the White House. Okay, everyone, we're gonna nuke the monster, okay? Prepare to launch. This just in, the White House was briefly abrupted, and they're about to send a nuke at the monster. Okay, everyone have a nice day. Remember, if a nuke's set off and you're close, just duck.
Having a missile heading your way. I want you to find it and send it straight into the air. Throw it into the ocean.
This just in the White House, we have become the higher bidder for the demon, and now we have to turn it.
Send it back to the ocean to destroy with one of your laser beams.
Let it go.
Protect me.
Radiation selected.
I shall make use a spell to protect me from radiation damage.
Have a nice day.
That's okay, I'll just raise up another one.
Take him.
I shall ride you off into northern country. Go!
Demon heroes, demon heroes, going off into all the countries and conquering them to the disgrace.
I don't want to hear that music.
That's it. We'll have to determine if you guys thought that the episode was funny. If you say no, I completely understand. So y'all pick if y'all liked it or if y'all didn't like it. So we'll leave it up to you guys. So please leave a like or a dislike, whatever you want. I will not have my feelings hurt either way. It was just a dead end and either way. So y'all have a great day and we will see y'all tomorrow. Bye bye.